So how does Texture Magic come? It comes right now in two packages that you can buy. There's the half-yard package, and remember, Texture Magic is 47 inches wide. And it also comes in a 1-yard piece for people who want to put it in clothing and they need the length from here to here. Instead of having to buy two separate packets, then they can have it one. It also can be custom cut by calling the office or by emailing superiorthreads.com, and you can get as many yards as you want. In fact, we encourage people to get as many yards as they want.
Yes. And once you start playing with it, you'll want more than a half-yard package. One other wonderful thing is that inside the packaging is a conversion chart that tells you exactly what we suggest you start with, so that once it shrinks, you have enough fabric. So for instance, if you want to make a piece that measures 8 by 11, you want to start with one that measures 10.5 by 14.5. All of the measurements on this chart are based on a 30% shrinkage. Now, I tried some tests because I wanted to know, does it make a difference if I stitch close together or far apart? Am I going to get more shrinkage with a close stitch or one far apart? So I cut 4 5-inch squares of Texture Magic. One of them I stitched to a piece of fabric with a 1/4-inch stipple. One of them I stitched with a 1-inch grid, and one of them I stitched with a 1.5-inch grid. The other one, I took just the piece of Texture Magic and steamed it. So after I steamed all 4 of those, I measured them. I was really surprised to find that pretty much across the board, every one of them went from 5 inches to 4 inches.
That's great.
Which, if you do the calculations, is a 20% shrinkage. So by starting 30% bigger, as we suggest on the chart, you always have enough to trim. And I appreciate that, because then I can get my piece squared up and exactly the size that I want for my project that I'm working on.